Our new brake pads. And let's start off with the outside. And we notice our wear sensor is on that side. There we go. And you definitely want to get some with the anti-squeal shim. This shim back here. Wow. If you get some without that, you can definitely cause a squeal even though you'll have new brakes. Alright, so what you want to do is one sets in this groove down here and the other one sets in this groove up here. So you're going to just set that one down like that. And you might have to pick up on that just a little bit and set that one in just like that. Then you get one to match the inside. Here we go. And that one is going to go on the inside.